It's really windy today, but I wanted to show you guys, man, look how beautiful this 2-year-old Kong system is. I mean, just insanely beautiful, absurd. Look, this color is called Sonora, and anybody can get it by just contacting 𝐋𝐈𝐅𝐄𝐈𝐌.com, and we can get you this color. But look at how gorgeous, thick build, full-bodied Kong armor is on these decks. I mean, I don't think I've ever really taken the time to appreciate some of the work that our company produces. I mean, just really beautiful, almost synthetic composite look to it. Full-bodied, gorgeous. I mean, look at this down through here. I mean, how much prettier does a deck system get? It can't be much prettier, right? It just can't be. Look at this. Wow. And this is a 2-year system. This is a 2nd year. So we didn't just do this. This wasn't just painted yesterday, right? Now keep in mind, this is a customer that takes care of their lifetime coating system with us, right? So they clean their deck annually, which you can see that we're changing the way decks are protected. We come in with this really thick, tough coating system that's tweaked specifically for Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, the Tri-State, the humidity, the wood movement, everything, right? We come in with the toughest coating available. And then if the customer simply washes their deck system once a year, goes over, look how beautiful, goes over the coating system, makes sure that there's not anything damaged that needs regenerated, you can uphold a beautiful lifetime system like this. This is gorgeous. This is one of the more gorgeous little tiny deck systems that I believe that we have out there because of its simplicity. It's just super simple. It's a standard, you know, 16 by 16, 16 by 20 deck. It's not elaborate, but the customer takes care of it, right? And that's why it's so gorgeous. It's got this tough film technology paired with the customer being knowledgeable and wanting the coating system to last. Part of that is, look, something that you can notice about this deck customer. Look, nothing on the deck system, very little. I believe he has some light deck furniture that when his family comes over, I've seen it out here before, he brings it up there and he sets it up there. And they eat out there or whatever. But as soon as that's done, he takes it off. And what that does is it cuts down on what we call, or what I call, low-lying shade areas. So shade under decks, or just the unavailability of the sun to get up underneath deck chairs and things to dry out water. And it cuts down on the damage immensely. The less stuff that you keep on your deck system, the healthier it will stay. And this is a testament. I mean, it's a pure testament to that. Just look how gorgeous. Wow. Sonora is beautiful. This color, Sonora, it is beautiful. This is a Kong custom color. It's stunningly gorgeous. Very pretty. I'm super impressed with this 2-year-old system. This is one of our best customers. I mean, look at the steps. Even this, I mean, look at this. He wants the system to work, and he takes care of it, and he, you know, and we will always help him because of that. Like today, he had a little abrasion on a plank over there. I came out and I took care of it for him, no charge, no nothing. And while I was here waiting for it to dry, I coated the deck rails and went around and recoated his post and coated a few spindles for him. Just stunningly gorgeous. You know, one thing I'm doing, we got 20 spots open for spring. Okay, 20 spots that are open for spring that are discounted up to 20%, which is crazy. We're basically trading. We're trading a little bit of a jump start on our spring for some discounted rates to the customer, right? So basically it secures 20 jobs for us first thing in the spring and kicks off our season, gets us right moving as soon as we can. We're not waiting to sign people, and it gets marketing material out there quicker, new marketing material and all that. So it's worth it for us. Plus we take some deposits in during the winter that kind of keep us alive a little bit. But we got 20 discounted spots for the world's toughest deck armor, backed. The only deck coating on the planet that has lifetime limited warranty and lifetime service promise that's locally backed right here in the Tri-State. Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana. If you sign up this winter, you can save 20% over the people that sign up this spring, this summer, right? Over the people that wait. And I got a lady that's scheduled this Friday and a lady that's scheduled again on Monday. Another one on Monday. And I've basically sold these over the phone. Like, they're ready to deposit right now and sign up for spring. We already have 3 people in line. So realistically, I've only got about 15 left. So go to 𝐋𝐈𝐅𝐄𝐈𝐌𝐄 and sign up for a free quotation and get it in. We'll trade you a great price, and I'll show you what we usually do our decks for. We'll trade you a great price for you to sign up this winter and get in line. All right, 𝐋𝐈𝐅𝐄𝐈𝐅𝐄.com. Click the get free quote button. See you.